change. You just bust for a gate. Thank God you came. How many more days till I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. Hey, this a rolling, not a stop. Why shit don't never stop? Just the flow that got the block hot, super hot. Hey, give me my respect.
Let's start this video. Hi candies, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing plus 25 plus YouTube video ideas for startup YouTubers. But before I get into this video, I hope you guys are doing well. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, why? No, but what is your reason? Subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on my post notifications so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to know, the first to comment, the first to watch. I don't know, just make sure you turn on my post notifications, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and let's begin. Today's video is in sponsorship with a brand, a Nigerian clothing brand, CONVERGE, and their Instagram is converge.ng, which I'll put right here. Okay, so basically CONVERGE is just like your local sports brand. It's kind of like an Adidas or Nike. They sell a lot of sporting wear, and obviously you guys know that I don't do sports. I'm quite lazy, not gonna lie. I used to play basketball, if some of you remember, but I dipped. So I don't do sports, but I came across this brand on Instagram and I just really liked their outfit. I mean, just because you don't do sports doesn't mean you can't still look cute while wearing the clothes, you know what I mean? Anyway, so I came across their brand and I got this shirt from them that I'm going to be showing you very soon. And they just have such lovely items, like everything just looks so good, so clean and fresh. They have a lot of branded t-shirts, they have jumpers, they have sweat track suits, they have sweatpants, like they have a lot of nice items. Their logo is so beautiful. It's literally just like a local Nike or Adidas, and I'm just going to be showing you what I got from them. If you're looking to support a small African business, then definitely support CONVERGE. Make sure you follow them on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. But make sure you follow CONVERGE on Instagram. I'm going to put all the details you need to know here and also in the link in the description down below. And if you like this video, like I said, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And now I'm going to get into the unboxing part of this video. So this is what I got from them. This is their logo right here. I'm just going to take it out of nylon. This is actually really good. I love this. I know it just makes me feel like I have something really special. And I forgot to mention actually, their slogan is Defy the Limits, which I think is so cool. Okay, so my package came in this really cool box. So when we open it up, basically we have CONVERGE written over there and then Defy the Limits. So when I open it up, I have my shirt in a nylon bag over here. So I'm going to take that out. The first thing I'm seeing is their logo. It is so big. I love the fact that it's just like there, like you can really see it. Okay, so this is what we have. So I got the shirt in a really large size because I like oversized shirts, so I just thought it would be really cute. So basically this is the shirt. So the quality is really good, it's really thick, it feels really nice. Also like the material that they use, I think this is suede. I don't want to say the wrong thing because I'm going to mess with somebody's channel. I don't know if it's suede though, but it has this, like the way it feels, it's just very like, do you know what I mean? I don't know, this is really cute. Just one of their branded t-shirts. They have a lot of others, but I really particularly like this one. And make sure you check out their brand on Instagram. Make sure that you follow them there as well. Patronize the brand. Just support your local upcoming business. Let's have a styling section towards the end of this video where I style basically this shirt into how, because like I said, I don't exercise. So basically how I would style this shirt if I was going out. So make sure you wait till the end of the video. We're going to put the shirt on right now, and then we're going to get to the other section of this video where I give 25 plus video ideas to upcoming YouTubers. So I have on my Converge shirt. Let me show you guys that. Yes, I have my Converge shirt now, and I'm going to keep it on for the rest of the video. Like I said, I have a styling section on how I would style this fully. You think you've seen it, but you've not seen it. There's a full fit. There's a full fit. So make sure you wait to the end of this video to see the full fit. How I would style this top if I was to go out with it. I know lots of new YouTubers are always wondering like, oh my gosh, what am I going to film? I want to start a YouTube channel. Even not even only new YouTubers, me. Every time I want to film, I'm always like, God, what am I going to do now? Like I'm always like, I need a new idea. Some of these video ideas are actually ideas that I wanted to do but I haven't yet done. So I'm just going to be giving you guys a bunch of video ideas that you can do if you're starting out YouTube, if you're already a YouTuber and you're just looking for something new to film. This is a list of 25 plus ideas to film for your channel. Obviously the first thing on the list is my first YouTube video, because I mean, even I had in my first YouTube video, everybody always does in my first YouTube video. It doesn't matter what you do inside. You can do like 50 facts about me. You can do what's this other thing? You can just do a trailer, like tell us what your video is going to be about. Next, you can do a Q&A. You can just ask people to ask you questions. Maybe put on your Instagram. You can put that question thingy and just tell people to ask you questions. You can do a get to know me tag, which is also kind of like 50 facts about me. Get to know me, you just like tell your subscribers and your followers more about you so that they can relate with you and feel like your friend, and you know, you can have conversations in the comment section. The best friend tag, which I actually haven't done because my best friend does not live in Nigeria, but when we see, you can also do a sibling tag. I have not done a sibling tag, but my sisters have featured a lot in my videos. You can do a boyfriend girlfriend tag. Wahala for day couple, Valentine is soon. Pranks video. I don't really do much. I cannot prank. Me, I be laughter. I will scatter it with laughter. I cannot prank. But lots of people do really cool prank videos. But me, I can't like. I don't really like pranks like that. Because I don't like anything that will hurt people's feelings. Like even if it's all jokes, sometimes these pranks go too far. Some of these YouTube couples be doing the most. Like that's not what this video is about. That's a pet peeve actually. You can do a challenge video, like where you just do a bunch of challenges that are raining at the moment. You have the song association challenge, there's the chubby bunny challenge, there's the smack or facts challenge, there's the spicy noodle something challenge. You can do a get ready with me video. I think I've done something like that as well, where you just kind of like talk to your viewers and just get ready for the day, do your makeup, get dressed. You can do a story time. If anything interesting or crazy happens to you, you can just turn on the camera, film it, share with people. You never know, someone might have that experience as well. A pet peeves video. I did this because me, I get irritated a lot. I don't get angry like that, but I get irritated a lot. Vlogs, you can do travel vlogs. I love vlogging actually. I just always get stressed out. A day in the life, a school vlog, which is how my channel actually got a lot of recognition, because I did a school vlog when you're going out. I know people do like girls trip or girls outing. You can also do an unboxing video like this one. You can do a makeup tutorial. I'm pretty sure I've done some makeup tutorials on this channel as well. There's so many people that are always coming onto YouTube to learn things. So if you have something that people are searching for, and people actively search how to put on foundation, how to draw my eyebrows, how to bake my face, like if you do a makeup tutorial, definitely your video is going to get traction. Do a hair video. Oh my gosh, I know hair videos are really, especially when you do natural hair videos, they really hit the roof. And also 4C hair, natural hair people, like their channels are always doing well because everybody is always interested in like hair and how to grow their hair and how to better their hair. So if you have tricks, if you have whatever up your sleeve, like don't keep them to yourself. Don't be selfish, girl. Come on, share it with us. Share it. Thank you. Do hauls, which I think I've only done it once or twice because I don't get clothes like that. You guys, I love clothes so much. I just gonna upload my style right now, but we're getting there. 2021, baby, we getting there. Levels are changing. Levels are changing. I do styling videos where you like style your outfits, which, like I said, is gonna be at the end of this video. So if you've clicked off, you've disappointed me. If you're no, you're my G, you're my guy. I love you. Next thing on the list is DIY videos. I know there's also fashion DIY. Fashion DIYs are going crazy right now. You can also do advice videos, which I really like, and I'm actually going to be doing a video like this soon. That is all the video ideas I can think of right now. If you guys have any other video ideas for any upcoming YouTubers or any YouTuber that is just looking for somebody like me that just don't know what to film, the most important thing is getting an idea and then making it your own. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Converge on Instagram, patronize them, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and get ready for more content coming soon. I love you guys and happy Valentine's Day in advance.